So I want to tell you about a special event this summer in Zurich, Switzerland. It's about the Hatha-yoga tools of meditation. I've been teaching yoga for more than 25 years, and based on that experience, I would say 99% of the people associate yoga with physical exercise. For good reason, the physical exercises of yoga work fairly well, but somehow or other, because they work so well, so the equally effective tools of meditation have been somewhat overshadowed by the physical techniques. So this workshop will introduce the Hatha yoga tools for inducing a calm mind, getting rid of stress, stilling the mind, and introducing some of the most powerful tools of meditation known to us. And it's fascinating also because these techniques have been passed on somewhat as secret knowledge. It's there if you know where to dig, but most people don't. And I've been practicing these techniques and sharing them for several decades now. I know they work, and I hope you can join me in a couple of weeks, in fact. So, the Midsummer Zurich, don't miss it.